The budget announcement in Parliament included a series of measures aimed at helping Singaporeans make ends meet, including cash handouts, utility bill rebates and more, with a focus on supporting both lower income and large households.
Well, Singapore is a tiny small economy that depends on external trade. Trade is 3 times the size of the economy. So whether the US economy or the large key markets for Singapore trade, if they sneezes, if we see into them slipping in a recession or consumption in these key markets slip, it will be felt in Singapore.
Following weak exports in December, Singapore revised downward its full-year growth for 2023. But a major concern is China, with its sluggish domestic consumption and exports growth alongside weak property market conditions. The world's second-largest economy is one of Singapore's key trading partners. And what happens in China has a significant bearing on the rest of Asia. According to a World Bank report published in October, a 1% reduction in China's growth could drag the region downward by as much as 0.3 percentage points. Economists have for years predicted China would one day surpass the US as the world's largest economy. Many now question that.
I don't think it is going to happen. China has to work through this period and allow the housing market to stabilize. Whether it will be done in a couple of years, I don't think so. I think it could be 10 years before they actually sort of resolve this problem. And so I think we have to accept the fact that we're going to be seeing slower growth in China.
Another Asian economic powerhouse, Japan, lost its ranking to Germany as the world's third largest economy after unexpectedly slipping into recession. Contracting growth complicates the Bank of Japan's plans to raise interest rates for the first time since 2007.
The cure for a recession is to cut interest rates. And at the same time, the Japanese yen is not performing well against the US dollar. So what are they going to do? I mean, they're caught between a rock and a hard place now.
The region's hopes of a brighter economic future could now hinge on India. Its growth is expected to outpace China's both this year and next. Still, the global economic recovery remains fragile as central banks continue to tighten policy and as geopolitical tensions cast a shadow over economic prospects worldwide. Patrick Falk, Singapore, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.